Good afternoon everyone. Here we will study web technology. I will start from unit 3rd. Here the unit 3rd starts with the name HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is a language which is used for designing web pages. It is not a programming language, it is a web designing language. Also, it is not case sensitive. We can write HTML programs using uppercase letters of English, also using lowercase letters of English. So HTML is a method where ordinary text can be converted into hypertext. Hypertext means a text which is in web or internet form. HTML is a set of special codes. HTML has special codes which are called tag. The first publicly available description of HTML came in 1991 by physicist Tim Berners-Lee. Now comes structure, means how do we start an HTML program. So first we use tag. Tag refers to HTML codes that define elements in an HTML file. Syntax, we will start in writing angular brackets. Tag name, then dash, tag name. It is called on code and off code. In on code it specifies the beginning of any tag. Off code specifies the end of any tag. Also HTML is not case sensitive. I already told about this. Now types of tag. There are two kinds of tag in HTML. First, container tag, empty tag. Second is empty tag. Container, as its name says, container means something which contains something. Something which contains something means these tags are in which angular bracket contains some tags or other tag elements. Container means the tag which is not empty. Empty tag, these are standalone and don't contain any text or other tag elements. For example, title. We will use title tag in HTML for making program, and title is called empty tag because whenever we write anything in title, it will not be shown on web page. Title will always be shown on the window of the browser. Means it will be shown in the title bar only, not on the body of the web page. Container tag means the tags which have something. Empty tag means the tags which are not having any data or other tags. Now comes structure. This is the way in which we will design a web page. For this we will start with HTML tag, Hypertext Markup Language. We will write in angular bracket HTML, and at the last when we finish it we will write /HTML in angular bracket. As I already told, on code is written in angular bracket, off code is also written in angular bracket, and to start on code the way is only angular bracket, to off any code the way is / in angular bracket. So first we will start with HTML and we will finish HTML with /. Next comes, there are two sections in structure of HTML. The names of section are header section and border section. Header section will have tag head tag. Here you can see in angular bracket head tag opens, and after the working of head tag we will close head tag with / in angular bracket. And inside header tag there is one more tag, title tag. Here you can see title is empty. As I already told, title is standalone or empty tag. We will start title. If we want to write something in title, we can write, otherwise we can leave it empty, and we will off title tag. Afterwards we will off head tag. It is called header section. Now second section starts with body. Here in angular bracket we will write body tag. All the work which we want to show on the web page will be written in body tag. We will start body, afterwards we will write some data in body tag, and in the last we will close body tag. So in body tag we can write any data, we can write any tag, we can write many kind of tags and also nested tags. Many kinds of tag, any kind of tag we will write in body tag only, not in head or title tag. Title tag is just for showing the title of the web page, and it will not be shown on the body of the page. It will be shown on the title bar or in the browser's window. Okay, so the whole work which we have to do, we will do in body tag. Afterward we will off body tag, and finally we will off HTML tag. So this is the way to make a simple HTML program. Okay class, we will do next in other videos. Okay, thank you.